This is the biggest crash ever in cryptocurrency. It's going to make people lose literally all their life savings. That's my opinion. Not financial advice. Please don't take this as financial advice and do what I say. But I've seen this happen time from time, and I think we're going to witness the biggest crash ever that we've ever seen in any asset class. And it's the time to make a shit ton of money. Now, if you want to be part of this community, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, put the bell notification on. That's so we can bond together, make a community where we talk about crypto and actually act upon it and talk new ideas. But let's look at why this is going to be one of the biggest crashes. I've talked about this in my other few videos and I've had a good response. But guys, let's get into it. The market's about 2.2 trillion. It's dropped from like nearly 3 trillion. Everyone knows Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the one that kind of runs the place at the moment. And let's just see what Bitcoin's doing, guys, from a technical point of view. Now, we're all in this to make money, right? Let's be honest. Now, we understand the technology and we want it to work, but we want to make money. And the way to make money is you have to buy low and sell high, right? Because to actually make the money, you have to take profit. People don't understand this notion that, oh, I'm just gonna hold it and yeah, it's gonna pay me passive income because it's just gonna pay me. Unless you're staking it and you're getting paid. But Bitcoin's not proof of stake model. Other cryptocurrencies are, but most of them, 99% of them, are just garbage, BS, get rich quick schemes, pump and dumps that promise you crazy APYs, but they don't live up to it anyways. Look at Bitcoin, guys. It's done on a technical point of view, a double top. Basically meaning it's done an all-time high and then an all-time high. Basically a high point, an all-time high. Kind of looks like double top or an M. And now it's at a really critical point. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit to it. Okay. So guys, let me just give you a bit of an idea. So what's happened here is it's done a high, higher low, because the previous low, this low is higher. Yeah. And then it's done a higher high because this is higher than this, right? That's an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. Okay? What characterizes an uptrend? Higher highs, higher lows. Now, it's coming down. At this point, it should create a higher low. This low should be higher than this. If this low, however, goes below this previous low, so if it goes below 41, so say it goes to 40, that may signal change of a trend. It may signal that we are going towards a bearish market, or bear trend, a downtrend. What do you think is going to happen? Look at how steep this climb has been. What goes up must come down. And that kind of mantra is kind of right in this situation. Guys, how steep the height has come, it can drop as much as that. And when it breaks below this previous low, the market moves in zones. It's going to test the next previous low, which is 30. And then the previous one before that was 20. Now, if it comes back to that place, guys, I'm just accumulating, because that's the place where you can get back into this 3 years, 4 years ago price into an asset class that's going to be revolutionizing how we see the world. Is it going to go to 20? I'm not sure, but I have a huge conviction that it will go to 20k. How long it'll take? Probably next year. 30k is 80% chance. 80% I believe it's coming to 30k from my own analysis. 20k is a 50-50. But you have to understand, things come down. Like if it comes down, that doesn't make the underlying asset awful. Look at Amazon. There was a point in Amazon when it went down more than 90% of its value. Does that mean Amazon was crap? No, because long term investors got rich. So, yes, the hodlers are the ones who will make money in this crash. Because there was a point where Amazon, even if you bought it at the peak, which was like they've made an analysis or an analogy here, if you put $1,000 of Amazon's all time high in December 1999, right before the dot com crash, you'd still 15x your money over a span of what, 20 years, which is not bad compared to other asset classes if you compare it. And I think it's the same with crypto. If you buy at the peak now, maybe in 20 years, not 15x, probably 50x, because blockchain is growing faster than technology than internet. It's like Web 3.0. Probably make like 1k to 100k, like 100x. But imagine you put that 1k not in 1999, but you put it in 2000 when the price was 90% below. You make like 1000x. On Amazon, you would have made 100x. If you bought in the crash, you would have made 100x. If you bought at the peak, you made 10x. That's the point I'm trying to make. If you buy now at the peak, yes, maybe you make 100x in the next 10 years. But if you buy it at the crash, you make 1000x, 10,000x. But that's if the company is still around in 10 years or the cryptocurrency is still around. People don't understand that. They buy the most stupid cryptocurrencies out there. They just go, oh my God, this coin's gone up so much within a week. And another mistake people do is they look at just the price. Oh my God, it's 0.16 and this one's 26. So this has like a 50x till it gets to this point. No, guys, you're missing out on the market cap. Market cap. Because this price means jack all. You have to times the price by the circulating supply to get the market cap. You're not comparing apples to apples. You're just looking at this price and saying, oh my God, I'll go around this 1.5. Oh my God, this is 0.08. Like, if I buy this and, if it 10x's, 20x's, it can 20x. Market cap, guys. They're both around 9 billion. Look at the circulating supply. That one has 6.3 billion coins. This one has 100 billion coins. Does that make sense to you guys? A lot of people make this mistake and they buy the most dumbest coins out there on hype, and you're going to get wiped out in this crash. Straight up. Whereas if you're a whale, the world's third largest Bitcoin holder is buying the dip. He or she, or whoever they are buying the dip right now because they're thinking, okay, 47, even if it goes down to 30, 20, let me just start buying dollar cost averaging into this because they're thinking long term. They're thinking, okay, this underlying asset is going to half a million or a million. So if I buy it now, I don't care if it goes down to 30. I don't care if it goes down to 20. I can't predict the market. If it goes down more, I'll buy more. And I'll buy more to reduce my cost per acquisition. The average prices paid per Bitcoin or she's paid will be reduced. But they're buying it at this point because they're saying, based on the long-term horizon, it's worth it. But most people chicken out. They buy Amazon at the top, expecting next week to make like £6 million. And when it crashes 5%, they panic because they've over leveraged. They're using financed money from banks that they don't actually have to play this game. And there's other parts or factors that are affecting cryptocurrency. I was reading this article where they're saying there's going to be further tightening on the bond buying programs and interest rates might increase. If interest rates increase, the cost of borrowing goes up. Cost of borrowing goes up for businesses, increases the price for goods. If the price of goods go up, consumers reduce their purchasing. It affects the economy, right? Higher interest rates, businesses' cost of borrowing has gone up. Businesses go down. The stock market goes down. crypto market will kind of correlate and it will go down. People don't have that much disposable income to invest into crypto. The market will go down because money is what keeps these going. Money is the fuel of these markets because that's where they get the volume. So there are macro factors that can affect the market, and I believe yes, institutional people are adapting to crypto, guys. But you have to understand, they're not going to like. I'm not going to say any of these are crap, but they're not going to the bottom of the page and saying, "Oh my God, I think quantum is worth it because it's going to give me 10x." No, they're looking at the technology behind these, what can change people's lives, and going all in, right? That's why a safe bet for most people like me and you, not financial advice, but is to stick with the ones that work. ETH has a system already there. Solana's coming up. Cardano, I'm not too into it. It has no applications. Nothing's being built on it, guys. Research. Look what the institutional are getting into, because once they get into the good stuff and the good ones go up, like Bitcoin goes up, do you think if Bitcoin goes up, the others are going to go up? No, because the money is going to be in the institutional hands. They're not just going to buy something because it's cheap on paper. They're going to buy something because it's got value, because it's got the potential. Right now, if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. If Bitcoin drops, everything drops. But in the future, when Bitcoin goes up and all the other good coins go up, the crap coins won't even exist, guys. So you have to do research, man. Do due diligence. But I'm telling you, I'm seeing a huge crash coming. What's your point of view? What's your opinions? Write them in the comments. I want to discuss it with you guys. And like I said, if you like this content, I try to post at least 3 times a week. That's my kind of target. Hit the subscribe button, because if I know what you like, then I can produce that. But mainly it's to do with cryptocurrency, gaming, metaverse, NFTs, anything within this cryptocurrency realm. And we discuss how we can make money, basically, guys. So yeah, I thank you so much for coming to this far of the video. But yeah, if you like this stuff, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment as to what you see your kind of point of view in this market. For me personally, I see a kind of drop to around the 30k region for Bitcoin, and I see the other altcoins taking a huge drop. And that would be a really good time to look into the coins that have the huge potential, that are going to give you X's, guys. So yeah, thanks for that, and see you in the next one. Peace.